In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Insurgency Sandstorm with friends only. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the options of playing Insurgency Sandstorm only between you and your friends and how the system works. Keep in mind that as of today, it is very lackluster. As of today, there is no way to create private servers on most consoles. You can only make private servers on PC, and they can be a complicated process. If you want to play with your friends, it's as simple as inviting them. So all that you would have to do is go over to the icon that you can see over here at the top right corner of the screen, open the social tab, and invite them. This will allow you to invite them from any platform's friends list, and they will be able to join your lobby, and you can queue up together. But like I mentioned, if you wanted to make a lobby with only you and your friends, this is where it gets tricky. For most lobbies, you would have to populate all 8 slots, and because of this, you cannot join a lobby with only you and your friends if you aren't filled with 8 people. So as it stands today, the only option that you have is going to be to queue up with random people after you invite your friends to a lobby, or you have to fill out a private server, even on consoles or on PC, whichever option you prefer. So without random people joining, the only method would be to run a private server that you have to set up on PC, and you would have to rent it, customize it, and so on. But doing private co-op games is extremely limited for consoles because of the reasons that I listed. So regardless, all that you would have to do is invite your friends by going over to the social tab, sending them a friend request, and once they accept, you can queue up for any of the modes available. And of course, if you are having trouble doing this, you will simply have to fill out the other remaining slots with random people because you might not be able to get 8 people together in the same lobby. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Insurgency Sandstorm with friends only. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.